Hi everybody, welcome to Technos Africa channel. How are you? I'm fine, in spite of the quarantine. Okay, so today's video is about the first part of our journey to fix that broken Arnova Familypad tablet. Arnova Familypad is the first version released by Archos a couple of years ago. There were two versions. The first one is a single core, and the other version is dual core with upgraded RAM. Okay, for my part, I'm going to deal with the first version of Arnova Familypad. Okay, this tablet is a huge tablet with a 13 inches LCD screen. It has 104 version, okay, an old version of 100. This tablet is unfortunately known for having two main issues. The first one is the boot loop, when you can't go past your tablet logo to access 100 main screen. Unfortunately for the Arnova Familypad first version, you can't fix that boot loop with factory reset. It doesn't work at all. You need to flash the tablet with the original firmware that unfortunately Archos has never provided. So the other issue with this tablet is that all of a sudden it doesn't switch on. You can't charge it all night long for days. You won't be able to switch on your tablet. I think these two issues are known from owners all around the world, and I made my research and I found nobody made a video about fixing the Arnova Familypad. So, like I said before, this is the first part of our journey. I've already disassembled the tablet. You will see a couple of pictures showing the main PCB, batteries, the LCD. Okay, so if I fail to make it work again, there is another option. Using that big LCD as a monitor, yes, you can do that. There are many adapters on eBay. They are called what is the name? They're called video driver board, and with this adapter you can't use any LCD from a refurbished laptop or under tablet as a monitor. Okay, these adapters are built in HDMI and VGA input. Some version has AV input. Okay, see you for the second part of video. Thank you.